Hi everyone, it's Celia, Chelsea Greenwich Village Residential Properties. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to take a stroll through the Flatiron District, and I'm going to point out to you several residential properties that are currently on the market for sale. Prior to beginning, however, I'd like to ask, in the event you get value out of the content I share, and if you haven't already done so, I'd appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Additionally, if you're looking to rent, buy, or invest in residential properties in the Chelsea, Greenwich Village, Flatirons, and Hudson Yards communities, and you aren't already working with another agent, I'd be honored to assist you with the process. So before I point out to you the first property, I'm going to show you Xavier High School for Boys. Xavier High School for Boys is a private Jesuit Catholic school established in 1847, and is renowned for its rigorous academic program. Currently, Xavier High School offers 19 advanced placement courses, and they currently receive approximately 1,000 applicants each year, and they only admit 260 students. Across the street where you see the blue banner, that's the Center for Jewish History. As you can notice, spring has finally arrived. Soon these wonderful blossoms will open. Still, it's a bit chilly. We're currently in upper 40s. But spring is definitely on the way. The building in front of us is a multi-family home that was built in 1925. It's 3 stories. It currently has 8 units, 11 bedrooms, and 7 bathrooms. It was put on the market in October of 2023. It's 9,200 square feet, and the owner is currently asking for $14.99950 million. Monthly taxes are $8,916. Shortly, we're going to be on 5th Avenue, fashionable 5th Avenue, where you can shop to your heart's content. Numerous clothing stores such as Free People, Aritza, J. Crew, you may find on 5th Avenue. We also have beautiful architecture. See that building in front of us? So we have Pandora jewelry stores having a sale right now.
So I don't want to get lost.
Microsoft office recently opened here. And likewise Parachute, they're also having a sale. The Herschel Company.
So I think we'll see how far.
Ralph's Coffee Shop belongs to the designer Ralph Lauren. So we're going to turn on West 21st Street, and at the corner I'm going to point out a lovely rental property that was designed by Morris Admin Architects. Come on this side. So in front of us is 7 West 21st Street. West 21st Street offers studios through 3-bedroom apartments. It has a landscape rooftop terrace, custom curated events are provided, and another amenity are pet-safe dog run. So the rental rates, they currently have a 1-bedroom available and that is $7,295 per month. They also have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom available, and that unit is renting for $12,730 per month. We're going to cross Fifth Avenue and go on the east side, where I'm going to show you a cooperative property that has a unit for sale. Best of course on the opposite side.
Oh, those are the ones that
with this music system. So in front of you is 40 East 21st Street. This building was built in 1912, and they currently have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit on the market for $3.25 million. The monthly maintenance is listed as $3,074.
Fred who was involved with it rated. The house is rated.
There's one more property I'm going to point out to you, and that one is a condo property. So now we're on Park Avenue South. Across the street, that Gothic Revival style church building, that was originally Mission Church. It is now the Museum of Photography. Around the corner from the Museum of Photography, East 22nd Street and Park Avenue, is the condo property I mentioned to you a few minutes ago. I'll give you a view of it. This condo property, it was built in 2013. It is 60 stories high, has 53 units. Some of the amenities include a concierge, children's playroom, a swimming pool, and cats and dogs are allowed. There is currently a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit available. It's 1,665 square feet, and the asking price is $3.5 million. The monthly maintenance fee is $3,051, and the monthly tax is going to be $3,131. So I'll give you one final look at this interestingly shaped condo property. So that concludes our tour for today, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some insight as to what the cost for housing can be depending upon the style of housing you desire. So until the next time, you take great care, and I look forward to you joining me again for another wonderful tour of some beautiful buildings in the Chelsea, Greenwich Village, Flatiron District, and Hudson Yards communities in New York City.